Using leftover wood is environmentally friendly. It reduces the demand for new materials, and each project contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. Additionally, crafting with wood scraps can save money, as you often can create beautiful items without purchasing new materials. By starting with wood scraps, woodworkers can create products that align with this ethos, appealing to a demographic that values sustainability. This not only enhances the appeal of the products, but also positions the business as environmentally responsible. One of the most compelling aspects of woodworking is the craftsmanship involved. Each piece tells a story, showcasing the skill and dedication of a maker. When turning weekend projects into a business, artisans can emphasize the unique qualities of their creations, highlighting the handcrafted nature and attention to detail. This personal touch can attract customers who appreciate the artistry behind each item, differentiating them from mass-produced alternatives. As woodworkers transition from hobbyists to entrepreneurs, establishing a strong brand identity becomes crucial. This identity can include a memorable name, a logo, and a cohesive aesthetic across all products. By incorporating elements that reflect the values of sustainability and craftsmanship, artisans can create a brand that resonates with customers. This strong identity not only fosters customer loyalty, but also sets the foundation for future growth. Storytelling is a powerful marketing tool in the woodworking business. Artisans can share their journey, detailing how they began working with wood scraps and the inspiration behind their projects. This connection can resonate deeply with potential customers, making them more likely to support the brand. By sharing stories about the materials used and the processes involved, woodworkers can engage their audience on a personal level. In the digital age, online platforms have become essential for small businesses. Woodworkers can showcase their projects through social media, creating a visual portfolio of their work. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for sharing images and engaging with a broader audience. Additionally, setting up an online store can help artisans reach customers beyond their local communities, expanding their market potential. Engaging with local communities can provide valuable opportunities for woodworkers. Participating in craft fairs, farmers markets, and local art shows allows artisans to showcase their work and connect with potential customers. Networking with other craftsmen can also lead to collaborations, knowledge sharing, and increased visibility within the woodworking community. Building relationships within the industry can foster growth and inspire new ideas. This commitment to skill development can ultimately contribute to the success of the business. Developing a structured schedule ensures that both creative and operational aspects of the business receive adequate attention. Determining the right pricing strategy is essential for profitability. Woodworkers must consider material costs, labor, and market demand when setting prices for their products. Researching competitors and understanding the target market can provide insights into effective pricing strategies. Offering a range of products at different price points can also cater to various customer budgets, expanding the potential customer base. Listening to customer feedback is vital for any business. Engaging with customers and understanding their preferences can guide future projects and product offerings. Woodworkers can use feedback to adapt their designs, ensuring that they meet the needs and desires of their audience. Incorporating sustainability into the business model can enhance its appeal. By emphasizing the eco-friendly aspects of using wood scraps, artisans can attract environmentally conscious consumers. Additionally, implementing sustainable practices in production and packaging can further reinforce this commitment. Customers are often willing to pay a premium for products that align with their values, making sustainability a key selling point. As the business grows, diversifying product offerings can provide additional revenue streams. Woodworkers can explore various categories, from home decor to functional items, all crafted for wood scraps. This diversity can attract a broader audience and mitigate risks associated with focusing on a single product line. Collaborating with other artisans can lead to exciting opportunities for woodworkers. Joint projects can combine skills and resources, resulting in unique products that appeal to a wider audience. Cross-promoting each other's work can also enhance visibility and drive sales. Building a network of creative professionals fosters a supportive community that can benefit all involved. By planning projects around seasonal themes, woodworkers can capitalize on market demand and enhance sales potential. Keeping abreast of market trends is essential for sustaining a successful woodworking business. Understanding consumer preferences and emerging styles can inform product development. Regularly researching industry trends enables artisans to adapt their offerings, ensuring they remain relevant in a competitive market. Effective financial management is crucial for any business. Woodworkers should track expenses, sales, and profits to understand the financial health of their venture. Developing a budget and setting financial goals can guide decision-making and ensure the sustainability of the business. Seeking advice from financial professionals can also provide valuable insights into managing finances. Building a strong online presence is essential for modern businesses. A well-designed website can serve as a digital storefront, showcasing products and providing information about the brand. Utilizing SEO strategies can enhance visibility in search engines, attracting potential customers. Engaging with followers on social media platforms can further build a loyal customer base. As the business grows, woodworkers may consider offering workshops or classes. Sharing their skills and knowledge can create additional income streams and establish the artisan as an authority in woodworking. Workshops also provide opportunities for community engagement, allowing artisans to connect with others who share their passion.